Hello everybody. As you've seen from the last video, unfortunately the 1988 Magic Chef microwave had to be retired. And you can go and watch that video and see why it had to be retired. It's not all bad, so don't worry, it's still around, but it's retired. This is a Magic Chef 1.6 cubic feet. Model HMM1611, and got it from Home Depot for $109. I just wanted a basic microwave like we had, something very similar that my grandfather could operate. I know there's nicer microwaves and probably better quality. Well, maybe not, but this one works similar to what we had for all those years, so that was a key in the decision. Same kind of door that opens, you just pull it open. So let's take a look at some of the functions now. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I'll go through the main ones I will be using. I did like the old one, how it was able to be recessed all the way flush with the cabinet because the door hinges were recessed. So this was all flat here, and then the door opened in this smaller area, but minor details. It opens. I've got a cup of water, so I'm not running it empty. Not a huge fan of this dark interior. I like the cream colored interior of the 1988 much better. It's not as brightly lit. You can look back in there and visibly see the magnetron. It's got a nice beefy magnetron. Sounds a bit cheaper than the 88, but what can you do? It does have a turntable. Here's a look at the control panel. And you notice it's got a flashing colon. I do miss the vacuum fluorescent display. Those are just the best that there are, I think. But this is a LED green. At least it's not that gaudy bright blue. That's what I was hoping it wasn't going to be, so I was pleasantly surprised to see that. That's great. Flashing colon for the win. Always been a fan of that. Just your generic basic microwave. I will set it up on the tripod and go through a few of the functions. I'm not going to go through every single one of them, but just the common ones that I would use. Alright, let's go through a few of the basic functions. 1 through 6 is express cook, so if you press 1, you're going to get 1 minute. And then it'll go off after 1 minute. And then 2, 3, 4 up to 6 minutes. I'm going to cancel that. It's got the 30-second function. Press start and goes for 30 seconds. We'll go ahead and let that count down and hear what it sounds like when the cycle is finished. Magnetron's louder than the old microwave, but not a huge deal. It's not obscenely loud. It's got 5 beeps instead of 4 like the 1988 version. Next up, let's do a time cook. Press time cook. You got to hit the leading 0. I'm going to do 15 seconds. So I had to hit 2 zeros and then 15 for 15 seconds. Then press start. This is actually the first time I've took the time out to learn how to use this. So that's how that works. Let's do the timer next. Mash timer. And I'm going to do 15 seconds again, so 0, 0, 1, 5, start. And this is the regular timer like the other microwave had. So that works. Let's see if this works like the old one did. I'm going to do time cook, 15 seconds again, power, and I'm going to do power level 5. Let's see if that works. Yep, I heard the magnetron cut off. What else would I use? Oh, the memory. I just did one of those. I'm going to do memory. You press 0. I've already got 1 set, so I'm going to do 2. And I'm going to program the memory. So time cook, 1 minute 35 seconds, and then hit start 30 seconds, and that memory is programmed. So memory 1 is my oatmeal. So I press memory and then it goes to 1. 2 minutes and 35 seconds to cook my oatmeal in the morning. And then I'll cancel that out. And then memory 2 is going to be my microwave nachos. 135 to cook my nachos to melt the cheese. So that's a basic setup. Time cook. I'm going to do 5 minutes. Let's try power level 7. So that would be for heating up queso. So we'll do 1, 2, 3. And it should be at 70% power. See if the magnetron cuts in and out. Yep, that's going to do it. Now I may have to run 2 or 3 cycles on that, but I don't want to scorch the easy cheese or easy melt or whatever you get, Velveeta type stuff. But that's going to work. So that's a quick look at the Magic Chef microwave. Thank you for watching.